Oh, close call. Just to bounce over the stumps. A maiden over. 52 for 1.
Bleeding. And bowl a straight line and bowl maidens just to get the pressure going in. Toe end of the bat. Almost knocking the back.
He's not going to be given, I don't think. He's a lock.
Big shout from behind. Rudy says no. My suspicion is they were going for everything there. Asking for LB, wondering if there's an inside edge, because of course it carried through to the keeper as well.
Difficult for the new batsmen, so a lot of responsibility on these two.
Well, it's a hugely enthusiastic appeal from virtually everyone out there. Batsman stands his ground. Rudy's looking a bit quizzical. Certainly wasn't a big nick. If there's anything there, it's a little thin one. But the decision, crucially, is not out.
I just wonder if the bat brushed the pad there. It was something that didn't look quite right. Looks like the ball was a long way away from the pad. Just watch the bat. I reckon if it hits the bottom of the pad. Yeah, there you go. And it was just the timing of it that probably sounded like a little faint air.
Gets a good one from Mohammad Asif. Maybe a little bit of inside edge.